In today's video, I'm going to show you how to extend an image outside of a PowerPoint shape in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful trick if you want to create more dynamic designs, make your slides look more polished, or give your presentation a modern custom layout. Instead of being stuck with a plain image inside a shape, you can make the picture appear larger and extend beyond the shape boundaries for a much more creative effect. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick PowerPoint tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open PowerPoint and go to the slide where you want to add your image. Start by inserting the shape you want to use. You can do this by going to the Insert tab, selecting Shapes, and then choosing the shape that fits your design. Once your shape is on the slide, size it and position it where you want the final image effect to appear. Next, right-click on the shape and choose Format Shape. This opens the formatting panel on the right side of PowerPoint, where you can control how the shape looks and how the image will fit inside it. Now go to the Fill section. Under Fill options, select Picture or Texture Fill. This tells PowerPoint that you want to place an image inside the shape instead of using a solid color or gradient. Once you choose that option, click Insert, and then select the image you want to use from your computer. After the image is inserted, the next step is where the magic happens. Go to the Picture Format tab at the top. From there, click Crop, and then choose Fill. This is important because it makes the image fill the entire shape area while keeping its proportions. Instead of squeezing the image, PowerPoint will crop and position it to fit better. Now drag the image to zoom or reposition it. Depending on the version of PowerPoint you're using, you may be able to click and move the image within the crop area so it appears more extended. The goal here is to make the picture look like it continues beyond the shape's normal boundaries, creating that extended visual effect. If needed, adjust the shape size a little more so the image composition looks right. You can also fine-tune the crop until the important part of your photo is visible and the extended look matches your slide design. This can be especially helpful for banners, title slides, creative thumbnails, and modern presentation layouts. Once everything looks good, you'll notice the image appears extended beyond the boundaries of the shape, giving your slide a much more interesting and professional appearance. This is a simple technique, but it can make a huge difference in how your presentation looks. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. And if you want, I can also show you how to do this with photos, gradients, or custom cutout effects in another video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.